The next bit of prep we have to do is our chocolate shards, and this is going to create a beautiful bark effect on the outside of the Yule log. To do that, we're going to be melting down some dark chocolate over a bain-marie. So that is a pot with a bit of water underneath, a heat-proof bowl on top. We're going to melt it down until it reaches 45 degrees. Once it hits that temperature, we will then remove it from the heat. Keep checking the temperature until we reach 27 to 28 degrees. At that point, we will then be spreading the melted dark chocolate on some parchment paper, nice and thin, and then we're going to be chilling it until we're ready to break it up. So for this recipe, you do require a thermometer. There isn't a way to do it without the thermometer, so please do keep that handy. So our dark chocolate has melted now and it's reached the required 45 degrees. At this stage, we will remove it from the heat, and to kind of speed up the cooling down process, you can occasionally work the chocolate, and you should be checking your temperature every couple of minutes until it drops down to 27, 28. So the cooling down of the chocolate may take a while, but in that time you're able to train your sponge, and you can do things like maybe add your jam to a piping bag and just kind of reset for the next steps.